to you, ladies and gentlemen. As we speak now, these are the updates as far as the COVID-19 is concerned. Now we have recorded not less than 10,201 cases and about 3,755 recoveries, and we have about 48 deaths. For now, all 16 regions in Ghana now have recorded cases of COVID-19. And we think that the persistent increase in the number of COVID-19 infections in this country is evidence to the minority's position that the MPP government is not handling the management of this pandemic properly. President Akufo Addo has not listened to the many experts' advice to be conscious about the lifting of restrictions on the COVID-19. There are emerging signs that the health system will soon be overwhelmed by this pandemic. And I'll give you a typical example. The medical director of the Ga East Treatment Center has been reported to have stated that the hospital has begun to receive many symptomatic patients as compared to the initial asymptomatic cases, that those who are showing signs of COVID-19 are becoming more than those who are not showing signs. This is contrary to the government's position that they are doing well in testing and actively identifying people who are asymptomatic. So in the initially, government said that they were recording more people who are not showing signs of COVID-19, and therefore they are moving in, ahead of the virus. Today, as I speak to you now, and per the example I have stated, we are recording cases of patients who are showing symptoms more than those who are not showing symptoms. And we think that it could also mean that we have moved from a phase of the infection where people presented as asymptomatic and did not need much treatment to a phase of people presenting to treatment centers with symptomatics and would require much interventions. This situation will overwhelm our health system, and mortalities will go beyond the 48 cases. So if you are not very careful, very, very soon, our health system will be overwhelmed as we move to more people showing the symptoms of COVID-19. It has also been reported that 24 health workers have been tested positive for COVID-19 in Infantima municipality, which has affected the staff strength of the directorate. And so we think that government should therefore move beyond lifting of restrictions for political gains and then listen to advice by public health experts on the management of COVID-19 in this country. There should be more action on the ground than the political propaganda. And we think that more resources must be pumped into the combat of COVID-19, especially the resources from COVID-19 fund.